Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 of the Terminator, build of the T800. Today, I am building the foot and constructing another muscle. It's pretty much the same as a couple of issues ago. We've got the, I'm pretty sure, upgraded version of that. There's that, there's that, there's that, there's that, and there's some screws. So, onwards with the build. In step one, we're doing that, gluing that into there like we did last time, and then gluing that onto the top of it after putting the piston in the middle, and that we'll be doing in a moment. So let's get some glue onto the things, and then we'll get it all done pretty quick. I don't think this one's going to be a very short episode again. There's some glue on that bit. While I've got the glue out, I'll do the glue on that bit because, you know, why not? Let's put that over there. So we have this to be glued into the small end there. Again, I'll rotate it to get the glue spread all the way around the outside. That's that. The piston drops in and all the way through, and yeah, it doesn't wobble around nearly as much. Then the outer bit goes on the other end. There's no obvious problems or discoloration on there that I need to worry about getting that in a particular angle. So that's all good. That's that complete, as says step 6. On the next step, we have this bit that's not being used again for a little while. That and a couple of the screws. As ever, they supply you one extra of each screw that you need. So as there's 3 in the pack, I'll be using 2. And the third will go into my spares pile. These are going into those holes there, through those holes there. So that just needs to go together like that. So far so good. One screw in there. Pretty much can't get this wrong. It's all sort of keyed in place, but it's always a good idea to just tighten up the one, or not to tighten up the one, should I say, until you get everything settled in place. You're happy it's all in the right place, and then you can go back and tighten them both down. So yeah, that's all where it should be. That's that secure, and then back to the first one again. That's that secure. So we have completed today the other piston and the main body of the foot, just waiting for some toes. So that is, as it says, stage complete. At the sci-fi cinema legends, Empire Strikes Back, doesn't need any introduction. Everyone knows about Star Wars. I'm sure they do. There we go. Lots of pictures, lots of words. There we go. Talking about gas turbine, but it's not really. It's some other type of atmospheric mining. It's interesting. There we go. That's that. And then the next issue, the last one of this month's batch, we continue assembling the left thigh and foot. I would assume that we're going to be putting that on there, then putting that, attaching that, and probably attaching that as well. The bigger ball joint for attaching the foot, and some screws. So yeah, that's the cover that holds the ankle, the knee together, I think. But we'll find out about that momentarily when I come back for issue 94. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for that. Bye bye for now.